Exposing the magic in Alberta's countryside, who knew there was so much to discover? Imagine cruising through Alberta's breathtaking landscapes from rolling prairies to majestic mountains, all at your own pace. With Rumble Alberta, you're not just a tourist, you're an explorer. Our app is your ultimate guide to over 400 hidden gems across rural Alberta. Whether you're navigating with our free self-drive ride touring maps or discovering amazing deals through our Rumble Stop directory, every journey is a new adventure waiting to be uncovered. Feeling competitive? Dive into our themed selfie challenges, snap a pic at iconic spots, share your adventures, and you might just win some fantastic travel prizes. Picture this. You're exploring a quaint town, enjoying local festivals, and supporting small businesses, all while saving money with exclusive Rumble specials. It's travel, Alberta style. From the wild beauty of northeastern Alberta to the charming festivals of southern Alberta, each region has its own unique story. And Rumble Alberta helps you experience it all, one road trip at a time. Join a community of happy travelers who've discovered the real Alberta. The parts less traveled, the stories less told, and the welcoming faces that make it unforgettable. So what are you waiting for? Download the Rumble Alberta app today and start your next adventure. I'm sure you've heard the news. The Patricia Hotel is your next must-visit destination in Alberta. Nestled in the heart of Patricia, Alberta, the Patricia Hotel has been charming guests since 1915. Feel the rustic allure as you stay in our cozy, historic rooms, perfect for a family retreat or a peaceful getaway. Now let's talk food. At our famous steak pit, you're the chef. Season and cook your own tender, juicy beef or buffalo steak over an open flame. Or sink your teeth into our delicious 100% buffalo burgers. Trust us, your taste buds will thank you. Looking for some fun? Head over to the Waterhole Tavern, dance floor, pool table, satellite TV, and our unique Patricia blowout drink. There's never a dull moment. Plus, Family Day Sunday transforms the tavern into a family-friendly space for everyone to enjoy. The Patricia Hotel isn't just a place to stay, it's a community hub. From our annual Labor Day rodeo to special events, we bring people together. So, why wait? Come experience the warm Western welcome at the Patricia Hotel. Book your stay today and be part of our story.